So today I want to share with you a very fun summer project featuring Doodle Bug Design papers. This is the greeting card folio. So I've put a little ribbon tie on here. Just open that up. Isn't this a fun gift for someone? So inside the folio, we've got room for cards and envelopes. You can probably get 4 to 6 cards comfortably in here, depending on the envelopes that you use and how thick your cards are. But in the kit, you're going to get all the papers you need to create the cards. You're going to get rickrack. You're going to get extra embellishments so that you can make this your very, very own. And you're going to get the detailed instructions. The folio is so simple. It is one sheet of 12 by 12 paper, and I give you all the measurements for the cuts and how the page should look before you start folding it together. Items that you're going to want. You're going to want a paper trimmer with a scoring blade, or your paper trimmer and a scoreboard. The 12 by 12 is perfect for this because your paper fits perfectly here. You're going to have all your Doodlebug paper. You're going to want scissors. You're going to want a wet and dry adhesive. I really like the green Tombow repositionable glue for this project because it's thick and it holds well. And then I also use it on the rickrack, using it in a repositionable format. So this is one of our grab and go kits for the summer. It's a great quick project to do on a rainy day at the cottage, or if you're just looking for something to spark some creativity. So you can find the kit online at the store, and full instructions are included. Have a great time with this kit.